Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the number of dates based on the year. Look at this particular table. I have gotten a customer sales for the last 3 years and I'm interested to find out which year the customer had made the highest number of purchases. Based on this, we want to extend a promotional offer to the customer. In order to do this, I'm going to use two functions. One is a sum product, the other one is a year function. Let's jump in to see how this is done. At the very first level, I'm passing in a year function. Year function has got only one argument, the serial number. Serial number is the entire date range. Close the bracket, equal to. I'm giving an instruction in this particular table array. When you happen to find this year, then count it. This is what the instruction we have given. When I hit enter, you can see it shows false, which means it's not able to find it. So it says false. When I send it out, we will have false and true based on whether it's able to find any data. In the first scenario, it just goes and refer the cell. Here it's 2018, here it's 2020, and here it's 18. It is false. Here it is 18 and 19. It's a false. Here it's 20 and 20. It's true. But this is not the exact result which we are looking for. And not only that, in the first scenario, you can see it's perfect. But whereas in the second result, it is indicating there is some error. What is this error? Let me show you. When I click at this particular B4 till B17, this is where our range belongs to. In the second scenario, I'm hitting F2 key. You can see it has left B4 and started looking for the data starting from B5 till B18. But whereas in B18, we do not have any data at all. And in the third scenario also, it's the similar scenario. It has left the very first one and started moving out from the table. And this is really important. This is what we call it as a cell referencing. Now let's fix it up. Just go back to the formula. I'm hitting function F2 key to edit it. Just select this one and hit function F4 key to turn this into an absolute reference. When we say it's an absolute reference, it will not move beyond the table. Earlier scenario, we have seen how it has left B5, B6 and went on. Here, again, I'm hitting function F4 key to turn this into a column reference, which means once you have finished this particular data, move on to 2019 and look for it, and then for 2020. Hit enter, we will have false. When I just send it down, now you can see automatically the red pointed triangle has disappeared. But is it the result that we were looking for? No, not really. So what I'm going to do in the formula, in front of the year, I'm going to insert a bracket and close the bracket, hit enter. Still we will have the same. Now what should we do at the next level? I'm going to introduce a negative sign and hit enter. We have gotten 0. What is this basically? When we want to turn any formula into a logical formula, we are forcing Excel to convert this into a logical one as a 0 and 1. That's the reason we have gotten 0 here. Same goes here. When I just send it down, you can see 0, 0, minus 1, which means it's able to get a data related to 2020. Since we had given minus sign here, it's considering this as a minus 1. Go back to the formula and hit F2 key. Then give another negative sign. This will convert all the negative signs into a positive sign. 0, it doesn't make any difference at the second level, but whereas at the third level, minus 1 has become a plus 1. But still, what is that exactly we are looking for? We wanted Excel to count the dates. I'm going step by step and showing you how exactly this works in function F2 key to edit it. So before negative sign, I'm using sum product function and close the bracket here. Hit enter, we will have 5. Just send it down. How exactly does it work here? Sum product will identify the respective year within this particular data range, and when it is there, it will get it. For 2018, let's check out first date, second, third, fourth, and fifth date. And that's how it works. So similarly, it will find out for 2019 and 2020. I'm sure this video was informative. Just give it a try. Please post your questions in the comment section. I'm happy to answer it. If you have liked the video, just give a thumbs up and please do share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me. This is Karpagam signing off. Good day.